Hello.
Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Mr. Ravere.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. So, due to the frustration a bit, we're a bit out of line, Yana, but then no problem, Mr. Ravere. So, straight, I'll start by introducing you to our guest, and straight there, we're going straight to our interview.
No, okay.
So our guest is an influential gospel artist with many achievements. Since he started the journey, he has won gospel Star Search talent show, featured with most big gospel artists, and he has a ministry. He owns a ministry called Palesa Ministry, still building his career, and no one else but the real Palesa. So, Mr. Ravere, straight to our interview. How's your day that side so far?
You can repeat again. You said what?
How's your day so far that side?
No. My day is cool. And how's yours?
We're pushing, we're trying. In Venda, they say we need our tusi.
No, we can't complain.
Yeah, that's true. So I'm pretty sure our audience they're eager to know who's the real Palesa, and can you please share more about Palesa himself, the background?
Oh, okay. Okay, my name is Dereal Palesa.
Yeah,
Some call me Dereal Palesa Matembe. Some call me Dereal Palesa Igwe.
yeah,
Some call me Dereal Palesa Nyemerezote. So, people call me through the names of the songs that I write
yeah,
mostly.
yeah.
Yeah, but I grew up in Venda, in a village called Itsani.
Okay.
Um, yeah, I'm just a homeboy. Yeah, so started this old singing thing from while I was still 7 years old.
Wow,
Or even now, I'm still doing it. So it
wow.
means I'm maybe even like almost like um, 25 years
In the in
for
the
doing it.
in the industry. Yeah. Wow, man, it's been a while, man. It's been a while. 7 years old. Wow.
Huh?
7 years old. It's been a while, man. It's been a while.
It's
It's
really
been a
hard.
while. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there were people while I was sharing the posters during the week. Some people were asking. One of our audiences were asking, why is he called Palesa? Was it a marketing strategy or something else? Where did the name come from?
No, I think the name favored me also because the name is it's very like rare to be given to a guy.
Yeah.
I think I'm the only guy up to this far who's called Vanessa.
Oh.
So yes,
Okay. Yeah, because people,
yeah, I was called,
yeah, audience have been asking. They thought maybe it was a marketing strategy so that people might recognize
no.
Valeza, you know?
I only have
Okay.
I only have one name. I'm
Okay.
only having one name, Vanessa. So it's not a mistake. I think my dad gave me the name trying
Mm.
to get a remembrance of something. I don't know that I
Okay.
can.
Oh, that's great. That's great. It was nice at least. It was so nice that he named you the name. You know, it favored you very well.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So how did you know like at that age of 7 years old? How did you know that yeah for real that this is my thing, man? I should enter. You see, you are 7 years old. You're starting to sing, and then how did you get to the point that no, I'm getting into this industry same time?
Now, okay, I started singing at 7 years old, but I started getting into the industry while I was after. I think it was after my grade 12.
Oh,
Yeah, but I was singing at church
okay,
around yeah in Itsani.
okay.
Yeah, so that's when I realized, no, this is my gift, and I was afraid to sing in
Oh,
most cases because I would want to play keyboard or drums or bass guitar.
oh,
So
you.
singing was like something that I was running away from,
Oh,
not knowing it's great.
okay, I see. So during our research, we found that you won the talent show called Rofhiwa Gospel Star Search. Did it put an
Yeah.
impact to the real Palesa that we know today?
You can repeat your question?
We during our research, we found that you won a talent show called Rofhiwa
Yeah.
Golf Star Church. At that time,
Yeah.
I don't know if I forgot the years, but it was around
Yeah.
2014, 2015, if we're not mistaken.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
2013. Yeah. Yeah.
2014. Yeah, you won Rofhiwa Gospel Star Search. Did it put an impact to the real Palesa that we know today?
Yeah, a lot, because like I was known around churches that are around here in Italy,
Yeah.
in schools. Like I used to sing in farewells and whatever. So, but after winning the star search, that's when we found the Real Palesa.
Oh.
That's when the name. That's where we got the name.
Oh, that's where the real Palesa came.
The real, yeah.
Ah.
No, we found the real one.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. So
Yeah.
before we go to the challenges of being an artist, this Palesa ministry, the movement of Palesa ministry. What is it all about? What are you? What are your aims on the Palesa ministry? Like the vision.
No. One thing that I've told myself is that it's no longer about a talent.
Wow.
It's about ministering to someone's life, actually.
Yeah.
So that's why I started the ministry, like Palesa Revival Ministry, trying to crush all the things of like the real Palesa. It's gone are those days where we sing and people will say, "Wow." No,
Yeah.
we don't want a wow. You must be delivered from whatever that you're going through, or usually you must be revived after my ministry when I'm singing. You
Wow.
understand?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
That's all about Palesa, about
That's
the
all. Yeah.
Palesa ministry. Wow, man.
Yeah.
So touching that you chose the other side, that no, it's no longer about the singing now. It's about the work of
No,
God.
fame, fame can forfeit. Hey.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
like, no, I can't be like looking for fame anymore.
Yeah. Now it's about work now. It's about
It's
serving.
about, yeah, it's about him. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, and when you're talking about that, it's all about this statement that's ringing on me. It's a theme at the church. It's called
Yeah.
a call to serve the whole year. So
Cool.
yeah,
Yes.
a call to serve. So to me, I understand. I feel I can relate when you say, yeah, it's no longer about the fame. It's about serving and doing
Yeah.
the right thing.
Yeah. It's about saving.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
when we are going straight to our challenges now, as a influential guy to the people or in social media, you have so much influence. And people, some artists, young boys, young girls, are looking up to you, and they would want to know what type of challenges you faced before you entered the music industry, and challenges that you're still facing right now when you are moving forward with the journey.
One trouble is no, being an artist is a very difficult thing. I should be
Yeah,
very much honest with you,
yeah,
because you don't live for yourself. You live for other people. You live for God
yeah.
also. You stand, and your ways must always be on a right path. Like
On
everything
track.
that you do, you must consider other people, because there are people who are following you,
Yeah,
and if you give up, they will give up.
yeah.
If you stop writing songs, they will give up. You understand? So there are
Yeah,
other people who are like I spoon feed them using songs that I write.
yeah.
So you must be prayerful. So as you see, like at this kind of world that we're living in now,
Yeah,
like we are facing so many challenges that can distract the person not to be in prayer,
yeah,
not to be in God's way. You
yeah,
understand?
yeah. There's too much.
So
There's too
those
much
are the
distraction.
challenges that you face as a person,
Yeah.
and it needs a very, 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 very dedicated person and a very strict person to yourself.
Wow. Wow,
You
man.
understand? So
Yeah.
first you must respect yourself before respecting other people.
Yeah.
You understand? So
Yeah.
It's difficult to be an art, more especially a gospel artist.
It's
A
very
gospel
difficult.
artist, because you are an ambassador. Actually,
Yeah.
you're an apostle. You're an evangelist,
Evangelist.
evangelist, and whatever.
Yeah.
So whatever that you do, you must also consider other people.
Wow, man. Yeah,
Whether they
yeah.
see you or they don't see you, you must know that you are living for them.
And you're living for the word. You have to follow the rules
Yeah,
all the time.
yeah, you know.
Yeah. I can relate. I can relate. I can relate. Yeah, the real. I
Yeah,
can relate.
it's too difficult, man.
So the way you manage it, it's all about you just put everything aside and then you consider people first and then
Yeah,
you
people
move.
first. Like when I consider people first, it means I'm also considering God,
Wow.
because He trusted me with them.
So throughout the music and the writing, composing and all stuff, what challenges are there though? How is it
Yeah,
hard?
yeah, you can write songs through feelings.
Yeah.
You must read the word because you insult people.
Yeah.
There are some songs that have been released by other people. I won't mention people's names here,
Yeah.
but you would say this person is just writing songs for fame,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
not biblically.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah, so you must be a very dedicated person to the word itself,
In order to get the revelation of the songs.
revelations. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And be prayerful, because you can just read the Bible and you write nonsense.
I get you. I get you. I get you. Yeah, so
Yeah,
I'm sure the listeners that want to be on this industry have learned a lot that they should study the word and make sure that
yeah,
they interact prayer.
yeah,
Consider people before yourself and move the word. Respect the word of the word of the gospel. Actually, respect the
yeah,
gospel
yeah. The gospel itself, yeah.
and then
Because most of the songs I write, I don't really sit down and like write songs.
yeah,
When you read the word, at some point you dream a song. So my
yeah.
phone is always on a record. I record a song
Mm,
during the night.
wow,
Yeah, I
wow.
get voice from whatever that I've read, like during the weekend, whatever.
Wow, wow, man! So nice
Mm.
that it's so nice that you're doing something like this, and I'm sure what do you call this? Small artists or young stars who are starting to
Young stuff,
rise.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, they're learning something from what you just said. Now it's very
yeah,
touching and it's very powerful. So
yeah.
I saw an event of fundraising concert. What is it all about? Are we expecting something from the real new music sooner?
No, actually, I think I'm gonna record a single on the date.
Oh,
But yeah, there's a song I wrote now. It's training a lot.
okay.
It's called Yeso Nroere Odiwana Zamitaniash.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So okay, I'm just doing a fundraising for the church. It's not my church. I'm
Oh,
just giving back to the community, like
yeah.
to the churches that have supported me while I was still starting the ministry. You understand?
Ministry. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So yeah, that's what I'm just doing. I'm not gonna benefit anything from that uh, compensation that the church is gonna get. No, I'm not part of that. I'm just going to sing, just a worship night. Then whatever that they are gonna receive is for them.
Oh, okay. And then we're expecting something soon. A single.
Yeah, yeah.
Something is
I
coming.
can even drop two songs like an EP. Yeah,
Oh, yeah. The EP. I saw the EP on. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah. There's the song Randaramo. Wow,
yeah,
song is powerful.
yeah.
It's very powerful. So there's a youth explosion that it's going to be held at on the 7th of April during Easter holidays at Living Water Fellowship Church at Manini next
Yeah, my name. Yeah,
to Wisdom, which
yeah.
is the one that made that I should come and arrange an interview with Dereal Palesa. So what are we expecting on the youth explosion? What are you bringing for us there? Because we'll be there.
My main point of doing this ministry
Yeah.
thing is to bring back hope to youth.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Those who have given up.
Yeah.
At our age, like we're facing a lot of things, and our youth are killing themselves.
Yeah.
They are being
Yeah.
so suicidal and whatever. So
Yeah.
my ministry is to bring back hope in youth. You
Wow.
understand? That's why I
Yeah.
also have another ministry that I go around with schools, like
Yeah.
bringing back hope in youth. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
So on the 7th, they must expect that if one was supposed to give up,
Yeah.
yeah, hope will be restored.
All will be restored. That's so
It's
powerful.
no longer about performing. It's no longer about fame. It's
No.
about God.
It's about God. Call to save.
Yeah, called to serve.
Oh, wow, man. I can feel. I'm even. What meaning at you vendor? Over the goosebumps, like when you're talking, like because we first know, man, he's talking. He's bringing hope
No,
to the
yeah,
youth,
yeah,
man. Hey, hey. Even
yeah.
us, me myself behind the mic. Yeah, you're telling me a lot of things. You're sending a lot of message to me that no, man, hope,
I'm
man.
restoring you
Yeah,
also.
yeah, he's restoring me. It's already working. Or,
Yeah.
wow, man. Wrapping up our interview, how can we book or contact Dereal Palesa and information and social media platforms? Where can we find Palesa to follow more? Yeah, tell us more.
Oh, okay. People can follow me on Palesa Ravere Ministry. I have a
Okay.
page on Facebook
Yeah.
that is called Palesa Ravere Ministry,
Yeah.
and my Facebook is like full, so you can follow me on the page.
Oh.
When you write Palesa Ravere Ministry, you'll see everything there. Also on Instagram, it's Palesa Ravere Ministry.
All right.
On YouTube, it's Palesa Ravere Ministry.
Okay.
Yeah, people can also contact me on WhatsApp, 066
Yes.
045
Yeah.
5870.
Okay.
066
Yes.
045
Yeah.
5870.
All right.
Yeah, the number is there on WhatsApp. On a call, yeah,
We can get you
that's where
call
people
and
can get
WhatsApp.
me. Yeah,
Oh, nice, 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 nice. The last thing, what? Just last thing. Last advice
yeah,
to our
yeah.
audience. Last advice to our audience, and then we wrap up. Just
Okay.
last one.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah,
Oh, you want an advice?
yeah, a last
Let
advice
me
to our
hear the
audience.
children.
Yeah,
Or the audience.
yeah, to say goodbye.
No, it cannot be an advice.
Yeah,
It's just to motivate, actually.
thank you.
Let us not give up on the ways of God. You know,
Wow.
His plans are not to harm us. You
Yeah,
understand? So sometimes when you want to reach your destiny, you must go through something.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that must not make you to give up in life. You understand? So
Wow.
if you interview anyone in this world,
Yeah,
I don't know how many are we in this world, but
yeah,
everyone is going through something. So you don't have to kill yourself. You don't have to hang yourself. You don't have to poison yourself.
yeah. We should not give up on the word of God. Hello.
You can kill yourself on a day where you are supposed to get your miracle,
Yeah,
because you never know when he's gonna answer us.
yeah.
You understand? So let's keep our hope and keep on trusting him.
Oh, thank you, man.
And amen.
Thank you, Dereal Palesa. Thank you very much for being with us here at Fresco FM. It's a
Yeah.
privilege that you are here, and we thank you very much. And next time, we're hoping to be with you, maybe physical, and then we can just shoot a
Yeah.
podcast, yeah, a
Yeah.
visual podcast, and then we share more. As we upgrade,
Yeah.
you're on our list. We'll be with you.
I'm available.
Thank you very much, Daryl. Thank you very much. I will ask my audience that are listening now, and if they have any questions, if they have something, I will share it with you, and then
Okay.
you will answer. If we don't have them, no problem. They will catch up this audio, this interview on our YouTube channel. We have a YouTube channel, and then we are going to post it there. Some can go and catch up there and interact with us there, and then
Okay.
we can send the message throughout that it's no longer about fame. It's about working for
Yeah.
God. And let's not give
Yeah.
up. Thank you very much, Dereal. Thank you.
Bless you.
Sharp, sharp.
Yep.
Hello, family. We're with Dereal Palesa, and he gave a lot of advice, guys. If you were listening, guys, you can interact with us, you can talk with us, you can just tell us what you've learned from Dereal Palesa, or which questions do you have for Dereal Palesa, and then we can send questions for Dereal Palesa, and then you tell us how everything is going, and then wow, man, Dereal Palesa just hit me hard, man. Like what he was talking about, he told me about his ministry, that it's all about bringing hope to the youth and bring the youth back to the what do you call it, the ministry, to the gospel movement. It's so touching, guys. It's so touching. Oh, I'm so touched. Wherever you're listening at, guys, you can text us and tell us what you have learned from Dereal Palesa, and we'll be waiting for you guys as we play his song Uhuru Hawe.
What
Shalom family, you're with your boy Nostro-T. We're live here at Fresco FM. Wow, the message and the motivation from the Dereal Palesa, we should not give up from the gospel. We should continue with the gospel, guys. Very important to come together. It hit me hard. It hit me hard, and I'm very touched because there's something that I was working out. I'm working on something, and it's also about the gospel movement. It's also about the gospel movement, and it's when he shared that we should not give up on the gospel, on the gospel. To me, it hit me hard as Nostro-T, guys. To be honest, it hit me hard. It was like an approval of what we're supposed to do as a youth to revive the gospel together. So powerful, guys. So powerful. And thank you, Dereal Palesa, so much. And I'm sure this interview will touch a whole lot of people. Those that will want to catch up, I will share the interview on our social media platforms. We will share the interview on YouTube channel. We will play it on our Facebook page. We'll post it there. Later today, it will be there. We will share it, and you will catch up, guys. And it's so powerful, guys. So powerful. Wow. Dereal Palesa, guys, wherever you're listening from, guys, guys, it was so powerful that it hit me. I'm even out of words, guys. I'm out of words. I'm just drifting in my mind, thinking about the gospel, guys. Yo. Thank you, Dereal Palesa. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So to our audience, if you have any perspective, any side, and you want to talk and share more about what Palesa just shared, and you want to interact, or you want to be with the Dereal Palesa via the call, we can arrange a voice call right away. I'll be waiting for you guys to tell me if you're ready to match, and then we can do a conference call, and then you ask questions that you want to ask as artists, and I'll be waiting for your calls, guys. I'll be waiting, and you can tell me where you're listening from. Shout out. You just tell me where you're listening from, guys. You're with your boy Nostro-T. We're live here pushing the Fresco Ride program, and it's happening, guys. It's happening, and thanks again to the listeners that are tuned in with us now. Thank you very much, guys, for being with us. Thank you very much. It means a lot. As we're growing as an online radio, we should thank you. We should thank you very much. It means a lot. It means a lot too much. And about the national shutdown that is going on Monday, guys, I said if you have anything to say about it, you can text, call, or you text a question, and then we talk about it. I'm still here. You're with your boy Nostro-T. We're live here at Fresco FM, and without wasting much time, I'll be checking out the messages that I got right away from the WhatsApp number. Okay, let me read them. Okay, family, and we have a wonderful message from one of our audience. As I was marketing the radio, I found this other lady, and I invited her to listen to our program. And then today she said she just listened, and then she's amazed that message that was sent and touched her too. Just see the emojis. She's amazed, guys. Like, wow, Fresco FM. You know, I don't know how I can show you these guys, because it's just a text, and she just sent an emoji, and then like she's amazed, like, wow, Fresco FM. So this lady, she shared a lot about discipline, direction, and vision. And then while we were talking about these things, that's where I introduced myself, and I told her that we have an online radio. It's called Fresco FM. And then we talked, and then today she was on air with us. She's amazed, like, wow, Fresco FM. Thank you, Zintle. Thank you. It means a lot that you even replied and like, wow. Thank you very much. We'll keep on pushing. And then we'll talk more after the interview. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm sure even herself, she's out of words, guys, because Dereal Palesa just went straight to the point. It's no longer about the fame. It's about working for pushing the gospel. You understand? So there's this song that I will. It's playing right away. Wachimbona not Rari. I want you guys to listen to this song, and I'll be waiting for you guys to text and tell us if you want to talk to Dereal Palesa and interact and know more about, ask questions, about what drove you into the ministry. Did something happen? Something like that, Yeah, but then let's just wait for you guys to interact with us. Wachimbona Ndoto Rari by Dereal Palesa. And guys, shout out to the band that was playing this music, guys. The band was powerful.
Take it off. Brother, come. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to dance? Are you ready? Aye. 1, 2, 3.
Guys, we've been passed by 7 minutes for our program. We arranged it for an hour, Fresco Ride. So guys, as the song is playing, guys, it's an end of the program. But if someone just text and say, hey, I want to talk to Dereal, we can go right away. So right away, after this song playing, we're going off air, guys, and thank you for being with us. I can see listeners here. We have listeners. Let me just check the numbers again. Oh, nice. We have 15 people listening. This is nice. Thank you very much. Chilidzi Charamakore Wachimbona Dereal Palesa. Oh, this is a song that I have to play. Randaramo. I have to play the song before we go off air, guys. So, for this song, Randaramo, it's coming.
But the last time was 4, 2, 4, 2.
Listening to Fresco FM's inspiration. This is our gift. You heard him, guys. He said he's coming with a new song, and it's trending on the medias. You can go and follow Dereal Palesa at Palesa Ministry, and on Facebook and Instagram, and even on YouTube. And on his Facebook page, if you go there, you can find a button writing "Call Now" for bookings, and you can call him right away, straight to his number or on his WhatsApp. You talk to Dereal. It's moving. It's so powerful. Let's push Dereal Palesa to send the message and to bring the hope back and to push the gospel, guys. Let's support Dereal Palesa with everything we have. Shalom. It's your boy Nostro T, guys. I'm so touched after the interview, guys. So powerful, guys. It's like a simple statement. Let's not give up on the gospel. That's so powerful, guys. Think about it, and then we'll talk about it more. You can interact with us too at Fresco FM page, Facebook, or you can catch up this on our YouTube channel, which if you're catching up, you'll be listening right away, and we thank you for the support. Let's go there and share with friends. It's all about sharing and pushing, guys. Thank you very much, guys, for being with us. And to us, something else. Even though some are telling me of network, I've said about the network issue. Some areas are facing load shedding. Some network, it's not good, depending on which network they're using. So we thank you so much, but for engaging with us and telling us that this and this is happening. So this is your boy Nostro T saying thank you very much. Shalom. Till we meet again. Coming back with another guest. Shalom.
Put yourself in the presence of the Lord. Come on. We are put the mirrors of the day. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. We're gonna Sunday. She not that Charlie can do it.
Frescofm's inspiration is our gift.